Matapos abutin ng malakas na kaliwa ni Donaire at bumagsak si Vic Darchinyan sa kanilang unang laban noong 2007, matindi ang paghahamon ni Darchinyan para sa isang rematch.
Everything, and I know you'll come back from it.
You respect me? You gonna fight me again?
At noong 2013, matapos ang 6 na taon, nagkaroon ng katuparan ang pangarap ni Darchinyan na muling makasagupa ang The Filipino Plus na si Donaire. Bago makaharap si Donaire, galing si Vic Darchinyan sa dalawang magkasunod na impresibong panalo. Tinalo niya ang Puerto Rican boxer na si Luis Del Valle via unanimous decision at ang Mexican boxer na si Javier Gallo na pinatulog ni Darchinyan sa ika-4 na round. Simula pa lang ng round, nandudumilat na sa gigil si Darchinyan. Donaire, malalakas na kaliwa.
Has good extension on all of his punches. Oh,
Hard right hand.
Landis. 1-2 combination, beautiful straight right hand to the jaw that really hurt Vic Darchinyan. Vic landed that same overhand left and stayed low, which allowed him to slip Donaire.
Round 4 and round 5, nagsagutan ng malalakas na suntok ang dalawang boksingero. Darchinyan, palaban talaga.
As the winner was unfortunate with activity in there. There's a lot of waiting and looking, and there's another hard left hand.
Just say that it's just the respect of knowing how hard a guy like Darchinyan can punch.
Now Donaire seems to relax a little bit, but he missed with the 1-2. Now
There
he
it is.
lands
There it is. That hook that hurt him right there. There it is.
Left hook.
There it is. Right there.
Darchinyan's trying to fight right back. Now the fight breaks up.
Catch Darchinyan with that hook high on the head. Had it been a little bit lower, it would have been much more devastating. But then Darchinyan fires back with his own left, and Donaire counter with a hook, and they just did some perfect exchange. Here Donaire, he got caught with a left uppercut and a right hook, but he kept on the attack. He sticks the left hook right over the jab, and that's why Darchinyan didn't want to throw the jab too much, because it left him open for the left hook. Out on his feet already to me. Once again, you see him come with his left hand over the top to make him think he's aiming at the head. Then he fools him and comes under with it, right on the chin, one more time for good measures, and the fight is over.
Is back. The Filipino Flash, Nonito Donaire.
Pagkatapos matalo kay Donaire, isa na namang malupit na boksingero ang hinarap ni Darchinyan noong 2014, ang Jamaican boxer na si Nicholas Walters. Nanalo si Walters via 5th round knockout. Naging maganda ang sumunod na laban ni Donaire pagkatapos pabagsakin si Darchinyan. Naagaw niya ang WBA Super Featherweight title sa South African boxer na si Simpiwe Bityeka via technical decision. Ang laban ay ginanap sa Kutay Arena sa Macau. So yun lamang po ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo ngayong araw sa mga kababayan at kaibigan natin dyan sa Pinas, mga boxing fans at mga tulad kong OFW sa mampanig sa mundo. Kumusta po kayong lahat dyan? Kung nagustuhan niyo po itong aking video, pakilike at kung po pwede rin po, mag-subscribe na rin po kayo. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Shout out kay Mr. Alfonso Cortado ng Virginia, USA, Noel Loy ng California, Anthony Abodi ng Batangas, Merlito, Tropang Marino 12 ng Qatar, Saptroy Gaming, John Darrell Salese, Sandy Pipito, Rene Aluna ng Damam KSA, Michael Carrio ng Digo City, Yuri Malitok, John D. Balinsona, Victor Cano ng Basco Batanes, Osiel Cabayag, King J, Rizwan Aripin, Wilson Acop ng Jerusalem, Nerio Morcia, Air Jonas, Jed Coranes Tabilla, Alan de la Puente ng San Mateo Rizal, Billy Jubildad ng Taguig at Pampanga, Bobby Ongsuwico, Aldrin Tolosa, at kay Mr. Vladimir Bixrak. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta nyo sa aking channel.